Welcome back to Money Matters. Today we're diving into the top 5 budgeting mistakes you might be making and how to fix them. If you're ready to boost your financial game, stay tuned. Mistake 1. Not tracking your expenses. Many people skip this crucial step, thinking they can keep track of their spending mentally. But trust us, it's easy to lose track of where your money goes. The key here is to track every expense, no matter how small. Use budgeting apps, spreadsheets, or good old-fashioned pen and paper. This way, you'll have a clear picture of where your money is going and can make adjustments as needed. Mistake 2. Overlooking savings. It's easy to think savings can wait until you've paid all your bills. But treating savings as an afterthought can lead to nothing left over for your future. Prioritize saving by paying yourself first. Set up automatic transfers to your savings account right when you receive your paycheck. This way, you'll build your savings consistently without having to think about it. Mistake 3. Setting unrealistic goals. Dreaming big is great, but if your goals are too lofty, they can lead to frustration and giving up. Break your goals into smaller, manageable steps. Instead of aiming to save $10,000 in a month, try saving $200 a month. Smaller goals are more achievable and keep you motivated. Mistake 4. Ignoring irregular expenses. Monthly bills like rent or utilities are easy to budget for. But what about those irregular expenses like car maintenance or annual subscriptions? Plan for these by setting aside a small amount each month in a separate fund for irregular expenses. This way, you'll be prepared when they come up and won't disrupt your budget. Mistake 5. Not reviewing your budget regularly. Creating a budget is just the beginning. If you don't review it regularly, you could miss out on opportunities to adjust and improve. Make it a habit to review your budget monthly. Check your spending, assess your progress toward your goals, and make adjustments as needed. Regular reviews help keep your budget on track and relevant to your changing needs. So there you have it, 5 budgeting mistakes you might be making and how to fix them. Tracking expenses, prioritizing savings, setting realistic goals, planning for irregular expenses, and reviewing your budget regularly are all key to financial success. If you found these tips helpful, give us a thumbs up and subscribe to Money Matters for more financial wisdom. Got your own budgeting tips or mistakes to share? Drop them in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you. Thanks for watching Money Matters, and here's to a more organized and effective budget. See you in the next video. Keep budgeting smart and saving big.